Hi, my beautiful lovers. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. Guys, join me. Let's make delicious farina fufu, which is called flour fufu. So here we put the flour for pot. So it's time for us to turn it. So we are turning it, guys, as you can see on this video. Guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, you guys are highly welcome here. Please, guys, do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you all, guys. So here the fufu is too strong. I added water to it to turn it very well, as you can see on this video. So we are still missing it, guys. Who the runner? It's only wife material in the kitchen. This is wife material in the kitchen running it, guys. So we are still missing it, and the fufu is very strong. It's flour. This is flour, which is called farina in Italian. So we are turning it. So as you can see, I add water to it and I turn it a little bit to cover it to cook. Guys, watch this video to the end and see the outcome. So we are going to take the soup we use to eat the fufu, guys. So here are the soup we want to use for the fufu. So we are going to serve it so that we warm it. Oh, the run na wife material. See wife material now. The only wife material in the kitchen. So we are taking our soup. This is bagan soup that I'm taking. So after taking the soup, I will cover it and I put it for microwave to warm. As you can see on this video, guys, watch this video to the end. Please like and share. So this is what I bought in supermarket, in the African market. So I have to open it and arrange it, guys. As you can see, onions, we buy bag of onions, which is €4.50. This onion you are seeing here is €4.50. They have the one of €8, so I buy the €4.50. So here are the things I buy in African markets. So we have a plantain. The first one is tangerine. We have tin tomatoes and we have big multi tomatoes here, as you can see. So here is the other one. This is fresh pepper. And we also have indomie. I just take 2 packs of indomie because I don't need much, and salt and curry with red oil. This is Nigeria red oil. I have the one I used to buy before, but when I test this one, I think that is very okay, and I collect that Nigeria red oil. So the semo is getting ready, guys. So it's time for us to remix it again. As you can see on this video, it has cooked very well. So we are still turning it. We are turning the semo. So is this semo we use to swallow our soup, our delicious soup, guys. So we are still turning it to wife material in the kitchen, making food for the family. The family need to eat before they sleep. So let's make it together. So as you can see, the semo is ready, guys. It's giving me, give me, give me, give me, give me. As you can see the way it's fresh. So it don't fresh, it don't smooth because it don't done. Guys, share this video. Share the video. This is wife material, so we have to remove it from the pot. So we remove it from inside the pot. See the semon now. How do you reason it? Everything done fresh. See the soup. Everything is ready. It's time for me to test it first, guys. It is so yummy. Guys, share this video, like and follow my channel, guys, for more.